This is my KTM EXC 150 2021 and we built this complete Supermoto build in just 7 days. If you want to see how we built it and the first action shots with this bike, stay till the end so we can hit the spot the first time.
I wanna dance, baby, I ain't in no rush. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna fuck. The numbers private, they be doing sign language. I'm down with your friends and the hoes that you came with. Okay, I'm outside, wrap my baby in a blanket. Okay, I'm outside, you can meet me at the banquet. Just run up by your wallet, dog, I'm 10, that's the basis. You wanna tell a lie, can't tell the truth, cause you can't face it. I wanna take it out, little baby, let me taste it. I wanna take it out, little baby, let me. Side by side, going up with your best friend. We be ducking up, we be at the West End. I was at the altar for my dog, I'm my best man. Me and Shotty crushing in the back on a webcam. What? I got my juice, I got my gun in here. What? Better you get loose, I have some fun in here. What? Yeah, I ain't stupid, I got my gun in here.
As you can see, we're almost finished with the build. It's 2 AM at the moment. Tomorrow at 9 AM we want to load up the van and head to the spot to ride this bike and also the 350 at the spot. We have to finish it as fast as possible right now. The only thing missing is the front brake. We only just mounted it, but there's no fluid in it. We have to put on the amazing decals. The last part, it's always so crazy how simple a bike looks, only up until you put the graphics on. And then we'll see each other tomorrow at the spot when we're hopefully riding the bike or at least reviewing it and tell you something about our special partners. The biggest downsides we had, a new powder that we didn't know at the time. Pretty difficult to figure things out with our hobby equipment at home. We don't have the highest standards, but they should look good just for our stunt use. That was pretty much the biggest problem for us, and also just the time. We had to work every night. We could be finished by Sunday. And the biggest upsides is that we made it. We are so lucky to have all these great partners that provided us with the parts in just like 7 days or 14 days. For our sponsors on this bike, we have the same old sponsors that we did on the last. We're so happy with them. Let's start with one of the most important things while wheeling, and it's the seat cover from Easy Designs. They really cooked with this one. We like this 2-stroke custom stitching and also our own logo, and the matching colors of course to the design. And it helps with learning wheelies. It helps if you can do wheelies. It helps with no-handers. It helps with hand scrapes. It's insane what a seat cover can do for you. It really boosts your skill. And every time I see a beginner rider that is learning to wheelie just with a standard seat cover, I tell them invest this little money because it will help you on the long term so much that this really is a highlight on the build. And then next up we have Sleek Designs that hooked us up with these crazy decals. It is not a full custom this time, not like all the other bikes. This is just a semi-custom design. Actually, it's our own semi-custom design. It's the one that you can get on their website under the name Shoal Blue Graphics, I think. We got all the crash protection from NG3D parts. Right now I only have the bar ends and also the crash pads at the front mounted up. To come this is a little sneak peek. What's coming in the future is a lot of carbon fiber. We're working with Svea Carbon again, and they're doing a lot at the front, a lot at the back. I won't say too much, but it will be crazy, and there will be a lot of discolored custom carbon fibers coming. And also coming from NG3D parts is a new headlight. This is just a standard LED headlight and it looks pretty much boring, you know this by now. I will mount up an Angel Eye RGB headlight at the front, and also I will mount an engine skid plate with RGB lighting and also a wheelie light and everything. So my frame stays protected and I have some more underglow RGB LEDs. So yeah, you know what's coming in the future. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to both of our Instagram channels so you stay up to date on what's coming on this build.